something like that. Dali na, Kaka is walking.
Can I go inside?
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was.
You're so good. Alright. We can send you here, Kai.
Huh?
So we can put Kai here.
Put Kike there.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, we can
So
put
now we look
Kike.
at the things in the box, Kai.
Huh?
See, it's already broken. Yeah. Alright, let me check if this one fits. Okay, Kai. Oh, the camera boy.
If Kai can go inside? If Kai can go inside? If Kai can go inside, Mommy?
No, it's not. Of course, we're not gonna let Kai Kai go inside. No. Kai Kai.
Yeah, Kai can go somewhere.
And then, they're open. So, binili ko to sa Kohl's last time kasi meron silang malaki na size 5 na Rascals, guys. So, $35 na to for 112 na piece. Size 5 yung kinuha ko kasi December pa kami dun. So, baka lumaki na si Kai. Kasi yung gamit niya ngayon is size 4. So, I've got size 4 and size 5. Pero, yeah. So, we have this one. Put inside. Yan. Tapos ito yung size 4. Inopen ko na siya. Kasi ginamit ko yung isa. Yung half nito. So yeah, we have this. Kulang pa to eh. Kulang pa yung nappies. Okay. You can just get more there. Diba, Kai? We can just get more when we get there. Nappies. And then, yeah, we have wipes here. Naka-sale to last time, yung water wipes. Naka $20 na lang siya, guys. So, yeah. Half price ata yun. Yan, sa Kohl's. So, nabili ko isang pack lang. Tapos, kung gusto ko bumili ng more, wala na, hindi na sila naka-sale. So, hindi na ako kumuha. So, yun. Naman kasi yung ginagamit niya is yung Huggies. Yung ganito. The Huggies na wipes. Yes, and I like this one. Yeah, Kai Kai? We have this. And then I've got, we need to put that though. We need to put the legs of the high chair. Hindi ko pa siya ilalagay kasi gagamitin pa siya ni Kai. Kailangan ko bumili. Kailangan ko pumunta ng IKEA or pa-deliver ko na lang dito sa bahay. Kailan last time nung chinek ko, last week chinek ko, ma-deliver siya pa. Umorder ako last week, ma-deliver siya end of
Mommy, where's the
August.
box of this?
I don't know where to put it.
I put it right there.
Here, look. So put everything on the table and that's when you fix it. So Kai don't keep on heating it. Oh, meron pa guys, madami pa. Alright, so we have these bags here. Clinic and collect ko lang to in order. We have chocolates.
Does Mama have these chocolates?
Ito yung mga nabili ko. We have Sour Patch. Ayan. Mini Oreos. Para sa mga kids to, pag nandun sila, may ano sila, may snacks. Tapos ito yung mga, mga dadalhin natin doon. Maliit lang yung nabili ko pala. Akala ko malaki ito. Meron kasi silang malaki version na to, but that's alright. And then ito yung replace nila kasi parang 10 ata yung binili ko nito guys. And then wala na nga, hindi na naabot sa 10. So they replaced it with this. Not sure, dito ko na try. Pero same lang naman siguro yan. And then Tim Tam, of course. So we have, I think, 10 Tim Tams here. Oh! Kai, what did you do, boy? My goodness. Stop. Ay. Now you wet the floor.
Mommy.
Alright, so now let's put it inside the box.
And maybe now you cross my path. I've been thinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Tadan! May ilalagay pa dito sina mama. May mga, ilalagay ko pa din yung mga shampoo and everything. May space pa naman. So, I think, kasya pa naman yung ating, importante dito is yung high chair. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng space for the high chair. Kasya naman yung mga paa siguro dito. Mga paa. Tapos upuan. Yeah. Tingnan yung ate natin, nagdo-drawing na naman siya, guys. Alam mo sino yung dinodrawing niya? Si Rumi sa Demon Hunters. Ilang beses niya na dinowing si Rumi.
Demon Hunters, not boyfriend anymore.
Si Kai nandun. Alam niyo ba? Hinila yung stool namin, na untog siya dun sa stool namin, guys. Na ano talaga yung, ano niya, forehead. Patingin Kai ng hiwa, patingin. O, diba? Tingnan niya yan, may bukol. Tapos may konting, ay, nako, itong batang to. Ayan, hinila niya. So, ngayon, remove namin yung table dito. Tinago namin yung stool dun sa gilid. Hey, Kai. Ay, nahulog yung crab mo. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa kanya for teething. And, yeah, very good siya. May dalawa pa to kaya lang kinagat ni Pochi nung kay Mia pa to, guys. This is from Mia pa. And he loves it. No, he loves it. Kasi malamig. So, it's good for teething. Ano yan? Sa Kmart yan. So, 3 na sila sa isang, pack. Ano naman, ha? Gumawa ako avocado with condensed. Ayan. Ginawa kasi siya ng kapatid ko kahapon sa bahay ng parents ko. Ang dinay ko siya, condensed lang. And yeah, masarap. So may half ako dito, hindi ko siya uubusin. Kasi inubos ko yung isang old ko na stock na avocado kasi pasira na. So medyo madami na siya. Yan, nilagyan ko ng bago. So, ngayon, i-wrap natin to and we'll put this sa container. Magawa kami ng avocado na ganito. Nilalagyan namin ng Milo, tapos ice, crushed ice, and condensed milk. But wala tayong Milo, so ito na lang. And masarap naman siya, guys. So, gabing-gabi na, guys. Hindi ko pa na-dry yung buhok ko. Kanina pa kami tapos kumain. Nag-dessert na ako. Ito na yung dessert ko. So, I'll just put this away later. After ko kumain, kain muna ako. Si Kai okay pa siya kasi nakatulog siya kanina. Kain! Kai, come here, baby. Oh, is that one you're trying to copy? No. Kai, come here.
Does it look nice?
Should look nice. Ito yung gusto niyang i-copy. Ayan. Wow. I have to make V. Is that Rumi or who's that? Is that Rumi?
No.
Mira.
It sounds like mirror, but it's mirror.
It's Mira. Yeah, not mirror.
It sounds like mirror, but it sounds like mirror. And then after it's raw, but mirror, but after mirror, after me, then it's so that's not mirror.
It's Mira.
Yeah, mirror.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like rock.
Go. More. Well done. I'm gonna make it round on top. Wow.
Now it looks better.
Now it looks better.
Now it looks better like a face. So
What do you even
fancy.
see?
So fancy.
Let me see. You're almost done.
Yes, you can see it. You can
Hawak ko
see.
si Kai. Wow. Wow. Look at Tita. Oh my god, that looks so nice. Scary though. What? What is that, Kai? Who is that?
I can feel the heat. Not the heat. Wala. Wagay ko yung heat. May ma-feeling heat.
But do you put
I
something
mean-
on it before you ano?
I can, as long as it's just clean.
So
Basta
just
clean ang
it's just the
itsura
heat.
mo, pero pwede yung kakabutang kung ining Omnilax yung ginabutang.
Mm.
Or any, kung sa, or serum nga, hydrogel nga serum. Or mask, or ano.
Mhm.
Biskan aloe vera lang, nagkapakalming
Mm.
before this.
Look at Tita. What
Tapos after
happened to Tita?
sinidra, nadagan ni mo nga normal.
Nga
Normal
skincare.
skincare.
Gabi tuloy. Why is it red? Tignan mo yung forehead, oh. Binutong niya ang stool.
Nalagbong si Yolo.
Siya gid forehead. Kung sa diin sa permi na iigo, magpumog ano siya.
10
Huh?
minutes pa lang.
Where's the bukol?
10 minutes, like 3 to 5 times a week.
Where's the bukol, Kai? Oh, diba? May
For you
bukol.
a night of